This is the second video from chapter 43. We're continuing with example 254, and we'll start with part C, where our parametric equations are x is sine of t, y is cosine squared of t, and our parameter t is between 0 and pi over 2. And because sine squared plus cosine squared is equal to 1, we have x squared plus y is equal to 1. X squared plus y is equal to 1. Now we solve for y in terms of x. Y is 1 minus x squared. We pay attention to our parameter. When t is 0, x is 0, and y is 1, so our starting point is 0, 1. When t is pi, x is 1, y is 0, so our end point, or our stopping point, is 1, 0. So we start at 0, 1, we end at 1, 0. Recognize this is just a parabola. So this is a parabola that opens down, negative x squared, it opens downward, adding 1 to it, so it will take the negative x squared and shift it up 1 unit. And so we have part of the parabola that starts at the point 0, 1 and ends at the point 1, 0. Part D, we do something similar. So x is a square root of cosine, y is sine. And because cosine squared plus sine squared is equal to 1, we have x to the fourth plus y squared is equal to 1. Our t, our parameter, is between 0 and pi over 2. So we take this equation, we solve for y in terms of x. Notice, because of our parameter, x and y are always between 0 and 1. And so we just take the square root. It's the square root of 1 minus x to the fourth. It's not plus or minus because we know that y is between 0 and 1. We start at the point 1, 0. When t is 0, x is 1, y is 0. When t is pi over 2, x is 0, and y is 1. So we start at the point 1, 0, we stop at the point 0, 1. And we sketch this curve. This is just from the point 1, 0 to 0, 1, this is a function. So we start here, we end here, and we have the direction, we have the arrows in the direction of increasing t.